How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we cleaning the interior. If you know, this is a 19-year-old car, so it's pretty old. If you see the back seat, it's a completely mess. So I have new products. We're gonna check them out. On this part of the ceiling, you can see this area right here is really dirty. So we're gonna clean this up. Seats on the front are pretty okay. They're not really bad. But this part of the seat on the back is really messy. And this episode is not sponsored. I have new products from Chemical Guys, Fabric Clean. I have the dilution bottle, and I have the brush for upholstery. If you wanna get this, it's gonna be in the description if you wanna clean the interior of your car. The great thing about this bottle is that it has the dilution ratio in here. In this case, with the fabric clean shampoo, we're gonna use 8:1, which is gonna be right here. We're gonna fill it up all the way to this line because we need a strong solution. The rest is gonna be water. We wanna use that much amount so we can clean those seats really well. I have my bottle ready, and also this is a heavy duty sprayer, so I know this one is gonna last a long time, and this is gonna come handy to do more jobs. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to get the bottle too. And if you're using this solution 8:1, if it doesn't clean everything the first time, you can use a little bit stronger solution, or do it one more time until the stains are gone. First thing that you need to do is use the vacuum so you can remove all the light dust that is on top. And after you use the vacuum, you can spray some into your brush, some into the carpet, and start working on it. Use more product if you need to. After that, use a clean microfiber towel to remove the excess. And look at that, the stain is pretty much gone, but we're gonna do it one more time. And I decided to get this brush because this is not really stiff, so it's not gonna damage your seats if you have seats like mine. But if you have different upholstery like Alcantara, you need to use something softer so you don't damage your seats. And look at that, it's almost gone. I see a little stain in here, but let's try to work it out. Okay guys, if you can see, after just few minutes, you can see the difference now on the rear seat. So now let me go one more time. If you can see, guys, on the ceiling, the biggest part is gonna be that area right there and that area right there. You see the difference right there? So we just gotta go ahead and do the same on all this area. Tell me guys what you think about this. You can see the difference. I still need to go a little bit more in here. I still have a couple stains in there, but like I said, this is not a miracle product. These stains are really old. So guys, tell me in the comments what you think about this product. I'm gonna say that it works really good, and if I need to do it the third time, I'm gonna do it, but once it gets dry, I'm gonna see a big difference. And now the car looks a lot better. Look at my towels. It was a brand new towels, and look at that. So guys, I hope you like this episode. Remember, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this episode, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.